Hi, in this video I am going to show you some of the paid Udemy courses which you can get access for free. After completion of these courses you will get certificate. All these courses are free but for limited time. Keep in mind all these courses are free but for limited time. Some of these courses are free, there is no limit, but some are limited, some are for limited time. Let me show the number one course. The number one course name is Journaling Dark Learns Journaling Movie Course. This is a new course and the language of this course is English, and this is free for 4 days. So you must have to enroll this course as soon as possible, and the after the completion of this course you will get a certificate, and one article is available in this video, and lifetime access is for this course, and 4 days are left to get this course for free. And in this course you will learn Dirk to develop a powerful habit of journaling, reflecting, and the constant growth. You will learn many things in this course. I think this is best course for movie makers. Oh, so let me show you the next course. The next course name is YouTube SEO, how to grow on YouTube this is a course, this is a previous course of 2018, but you can enroll this course for free. And this is high ranked course, ranking is 4.0. I think this is best course for YouTubers, and the duration of this course is 52 minutes. The language of this course is English. In this video I will show you how you can get this courses for free. I will provide the link, but you must have to keep on watching it till the end. So I will show you how you can get these courses. So the next course name is how to start and rapidly grow your YouTube business in 2021. Let me take you to by the hand and walk you step by step on how to set up and profit from YouTube. You can scale up quickly and easily. The rating of this course is 4.0, and the language of this course is English. You can get this course for free. I will provide the link. How In this course you will learn how to get millions of the views on your YouTube videos, and how to quick and easy ways to get traffic to your videos. Today using this free to implement methods bonus. In the bonus you will learn how to get millions of the views on your videos. Okay, enjoy the course. And to get these courses you must have to go to the website named as answersk.blogspot.com. This is the link of the website, answersk.blogspot.com. answersk.blogspot.com. Go to this website, there is one article, open this article. Here you will find that these are the courses that are for not limited time, but these courses are for limited time. There are many courses available here. Thanks for watching. May God bless you.